everybody, and welcome to Chef on the Boat. As you can see from the holiday decorations, it's that time of the year. So I thought I would make a lemon-lime yogurt cake. The genesis for this idea was actually a tub of Greek yogurt that I still had in the fridge. This recipe is actually based on a French classic where measurements were made with yogurt jars, which are about half a cup. It's easy to make and very forgiving in terms of ingredients. I always sift my dry ingredients to make sure there's no lumps or clumps. I'm using Greek yogurt today because that's what I had in my fridge, but plain whole milk yogurt is just as good. If you watch some of my other videos, you see that I like to break my eggs separately in a bowl before adding, just in case one of the eggs is bad. That way I don't have to throw everything out and start again. Adding the lemon and lime zest is really important in this recipe because that's what really brings out that bright citrusy flavor. Alright, we've got our sugar and wet ingredients mixed together. Now it's time to add it to the dry ingredients. Once I have this all mixed together, I'll fold in the oil just to incorporate it into the batter before I pour it into the individual cake pans. Now you could bake this in a standard bread loaf pan, but I like the idea of making individual cakes as gifts for people to enjoy. Alright, they look done, so I'll check them with the toothpick, and if the toothpick comes out clean, they're done. I'm going to let the cakes cool for about 10 minutes, and during that time, I'll make the lemon-lime syrup. To make the syrup, I whisk together over low heat the sugar with the juice from the one lime and one lemon I zested earlier, and I'll whisk it until the sugar is dissolved. While the cakes are still warm, I grab a toothpick and poke holes in them, and then I pour the citrus syrup over the cakes and just let that syrupy goodness soak in. If the glaze is still a little thick, like it is here, then I'll add a little bit more lemon juice to thin it out. Once the cakes have cooled, it's time for that final step, adding that beautiful glaze on top. I tend not to cover the whole cake or cakes with glaze, but that's a personal preference. If you love lots of glaze, then just double the recipe and pour it on. And that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, bon appetit!